Hello and welcome to This Dot for We Cooking. I'm your host Shernette, and today we'll be making fried green plantain chips. So what you'll need first is a skillet with oil and two green plantains. Two green plantains, and you're gonna peel them and cut them, and you're gonna salt and pepper at the end. This is how I cut my plantain. You just want to take your knife and kind of go down, because this is some tough skin. Tough skin. And then I'm gonna go underneath this skin and start peeling it off. And I'll probably have to cut some more off. Trim it up a little bit more once I get it all off, little parts that was left. They look like bananas, but they're not sweet until they become yellow and brown. So we eat these for snacks, for breakfast. Like today, we're gonna have it for breakfast. Then I just wanna cut off the part that was left behind that I couldn't get off by peeling. Get those little pieces off. Okay, see? Nice and peel. And do the second one. And right now I'm heating up my oil to get it nice and hot. These are so delicious. I love fried plantain chips. It's like, why buy them from the store when you know what's going into them when you cook them yourself? And this dish is vegan friendly. I'm using with some paper towel to drain, and once they come out hot from the grease, you want to add your salt and pepper so it can stick to it, or whatever seasonings that you like. We just use regular salt and pepper, sea salt rather. This is a dish eaten all over the Caribbean, the States here, Africa. Plantain is universal. They're eaten everywhere. So it's a real quick, easy snack, breakfast. If you want to fry it and eat it with dinner. You can also boil it green and put it like I put it with my meat dishes. and other Belizean dishes. So you see you got a nice amount there. Cut this one. Okay. So now we just want to check the oil and see if it's hot. You got a nice size, a nice amount of the green plantain to fry. But like I said, we're gonna have it for breakfast. And let's test one. Yep, it's ready. So it's gonna go in the oil and fry for a few minutes. Okay, just want to move them around. Until they are golden. And my husband, he likes them, he doesn't like them hard. I like mine kind of hard. Fried a little bit well done, if you say. So you just want to move them around. Doesn't take long at all. See, they're starting to turn golden brown, or not brown, but golden, a golden color. I'm talking about brown. And get my salt and pepper. So we are going to have some bacon and plantain and probably fried eggs. And get that bacon going in a minute. But it is a quick treat. Really good. You can snack on them through the day. Very, very good. Okay, I'm gonna let it, for now it's been going for 2 minutes, probably another minute or so. Okay, so I let these go for around 6 minutes. Just to get some of the oil off. And then we'll put our next batch in. If you want them a little darker, you can leave them in for a little longer. So approximately 6 minutes. It's to your discretion if you want them lighter. You can take them out sooner. So this is, like I said, approximately 6 minutes. Oh, I just lost one of my buddies. Gotta get it back up in there. And what I do, I add my salt and pepper now. And just sprinkle your salt. Add your pepper. And I just mix it around good. Okay, and we're ready for our next one. Alrighty, now we're gonna I'm gonna plate it for you. But you can have your fried plantains around 6 minutes. I left them in 6-7 minutes. You can leave them in. And from skillet to seasoning with salt and pepper to voila, fried plantains. And with a side of bacon. They are so delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed and that you would make you some fried plantain chips soon and enjoy. Bon appetit.